Dinosaurs are often depicted with reptile-like skin. However, a piece of amber found in Myanmar in 2016 reveals something entirely new. Researchers found a remarkably preserved feathered dinosaur tail. It's estimated to be more than 99 million years old. The amber includes bones, soft tissue, and feathers. This is a first for science. How did scientists make this discovery? Why does it have feathers? And does this change what we know about dinosaurs? The preserved tail specimen is covered with delicate feathers. It's believed to have come from an oviraptorosaur. This discovery means there could have been other dinosaurs with feathers. A University of Bristol study suggests that almost all dinosaurs have feathers. They were likely there for warmth instead of flying. So instead of dinosaurs looking like reptiles, dinosaurs may have looked more like birds. Is it time for museums to revamp their dinosaur displays? If they do, it will lead to a reimagining of these prehistoric, crazy creatures.